To create a custom swing joint, determine the approximate length of the flex pipe needed for the application. Cut the pipe, leaving some excess length. Access the tee. If the thread in the tee is a 1/2 inch, then install the HSBE 050 fitting. If the thread is 3/4 of an inch, then install the HSBE 075. Point the spiral bar bend in the direction of the desired sprinkler location. Attach the cut flex pipe to the fitting at the tee. Cut any excess, and then install the fitting in the head in the other end of the pipe. Place the head at the desired location and backfill the hole to hold it in place. If you're installing a 1/2 inch rotor or spray sprinkler, install the HSBE 050 in the head. If you're installing a 3/4 inch rotor, install the HSBE 075 in the rotor. To find these and other Hunter products, visit www.hunterindustries.com/get-hunter.